Hey guys, here at Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are here in North Austin doing a new AC install. You can see behind me here is the new one, and here is the old one. And if we walk over here, here is the old one here. Walk inside the house. In the closet. And here's a new one. It's squared away. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. See you guys on the next one. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.